Here's the Elliott wave forecast for January 21st, 2011. On the S&P 10-day chart, it looks like the drop from 1296 to 1272 could be either a wave A or wave 1. And the rally off of 1272 to 1283 could be upward 2 or upward B. To prevent a downward CR3, S&P would need to close above 1287. And close above 1287 is around the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. If we can close above that, it can prevent a downward 3. But if we drop below 1272, there's a chance that we form a downward 3, which would easily surpass the 10-day low around 1262. A downward 3 would target as low as approximately 1240 to the downside. So basically, S&P needs to take at 1287, or downward 3 could be lurking. For Nasdaq, this looks like a long extended wave 1, and the rally off of lows looks like an upward 4. This looks like just a small 4 for now. If this is going to be upward 2 in Nasdaq, you have to rally to at least 2735, and it's pretty far from that. But this could qualify as a 2, but it's really tiny. I mean, S&P got a 2, so this could be a 2. It all depends on how we open tomorrow. So S&P cannot take out 1272 to the downside because that's up and down with 3 or C. For Dow, this is the best looking chart. The Dow just looks like it's in a wave 2. It's going to be 5 waves up, and it's going to be a wave 2. And the Dow needs to hold 11,745 to the downside, or it can form a downward 3. If we can take out 11,860, it'll set up an upward 4 or 5. So the best case scenario for is that S&P is right on the edge right now. So S&P needs to take out 1287 and sustain a move that takes out 1296. Again, if we can't do that, you could be staring at downward 3s. So if we gap down tomorrow again, I'll look out for a downward 3. It's a wrap.